Now this is a lovely game. I thoroughly enjoy it, and it also excites the children to want to practice and improve. What this is, teacher asks for a single digit. Somebody yells out, say 4. And then we ask for another digit. Somebody calls out 9. So then we do 4 plus 9. We all yell out 13 plus 9, 22 plus 9, 31 plus 9, 40 plus 9, and we keep going. And again, the children who are not as fast are being helped by the ones who have got it. And they start to catch on to the rhythm of the addition. Once we've reached a certain stage, we then reverse. So we do minus 9, minus 9, minus 9. Then when we've had enough of adding with a 9, we choose 2 more digits. We might choose 5 and 3, 5, plus 3, even 8, plus 3, odd 11, plus 3, even 14, plus 3, and minus, minus, minus. Now, this is another noisy game because not everybody's as quick as some people. So we've got all sorts of numbers being yelled out, and it doesn't matter. Because what this does is stimulate the children to want to see the patterns more clearly and want to be able to add and subtract without thinking. And that's the whole point of it, that we can add and subtract through patterning rather than working it out, especially this way. So this is the beanbag game, best to play in a classroom. You could play it with 3 or 4 children, but with one child, I don't think it would be much fun. So you need a few children to play this game. So after we've done our zigzag and our number partners for 10, we can play the beanbag game in class. So teacher holds one beanbag, calls out a number. The children have to say whether it's odd or even, and then they wait in anticipation. Teacher throws the beanbag to one person who answers. So the whole class has got their answer ready in case they catch the beanbag, but only the one person gives the answer. Now, I find these games are very good because it helps teacher to identify who hasn't quite understood, who needs a little bit more work, and it's done in a way where the child is not made to feel that they're singled out and the other children are helping them. So say, for example, I say 3, everybody yells out odd, I throw the bag and the child answers 6, the rest of the class will yell out 7, and the child can learn in that way without being singled out. So the class, they're all helping each other. So we love to teach through games, and I have created many games. I'd like to share some with you, but I would like all you parents and teachers to be open to creating your own games. So the first one is the one I call the number plate game. Now, once the children understand their odd and even, and then they've written numbers, so they understand the written numbers. So when we're in the car and we're looking at the car in front, now when I created this game, cars used to have 3 numbers where I live. And so the idea was to see if adding those 3 numbers was an odd or an even outcome. So say, for example, you've got 6, 4, 7, 6 is even, 4 is even, 7 is odd, you've got an odd number. And this becomes a lot of fun, and the driver can drop out, the children will do it themselves, and it helps to pass the time, and it also stimulates that ability to recognise odd plus even plus odd plus odd plus even at a moment's notice, like that. It's a bit like the Mama Frog game. It's good fun in the car. I don't know any other situation where you can play it. I hope you've all got 3 numbers on your number plates, otherwise it could get a bit boring. We have only 2 numbers on our number plate now, so it's probably not as much fun.